Does CUPSHE show up in your feed all the time? Well, me too. So I decided to partner with CUPSHE to check out this trendy, affordable brands resort wear collection. Because really, when it's this cold out, all I care about is where my next spring break vacay is going to be. In this haul, I have dresses, I have cover-ups, and I have swimsuits. So settle in for some shopping. And up first is my favorite piece in this collection, and that's this two-piece set. So you get this top, which has got two ties on it. It's got crochet, and I just love black and white. Now, I paired it with a white bikini, but you could easily pair it with a black bikini. And then it has these cute little crochet bottoms that come with it. This set is just absolutely adorable. Now, up next is this stunner of a bikini. Now, this is black, but I'll bring it in so you can kind of see. It's got those gold accents, and then it's got these two seashells. This is adorable. And one of the things I really like about CUPSHE is that there's just one price, and you're getting both the bikini top and the bikini bottom. Now, in this case, I think the top runs true to size, so it's just going to be your normal bra size. The bottoms were a little large, and they are definitely cheeky. So I would size down in this one. And then I also think it's great to just pair it with a black bikini, but it is nice that you can customize and get a small on the top or a medium on the bottom, and then you're still just paying one price. Now, another item that I am obsessed with is this crochet cover-up. I see these all the time, crochet cover-ups, but what makes this one special is the black detail. So you have it there, and then you also have it on the sleeve, but on the bottom trim as well. I just think this looks so elevated, really high-end, very sophisticated. I think you could easily just throw this on and go to the beach. This is a great cover-up. And it fits true to size, so just order your normal size when you're checking this one out. Now, another great cover-up dress is this one here. And this is kind of their boho black dress. I'll kind of bring it in so you can kind of see the details there. But this one's really great. Now, I will say this has a deep plunging neckline, so you do want to be aware of that. But otherwise, this is brunch straight to the beach. This is a great cover-up. It's flowy, it fits true to size, and this is really just comfortable to wear. Now, in addition to the maxi dress, I also got two mini dresses. So the first one is this one here, and I'll just kind of show you. It's got the bow, but then it's also got a little keyhole detail that I think is really cute. This is a great dress. You could easily wear this for walks on the beach. You could wear this on any kind of resort that you're hanging out in. And this is also a great cover up. It's easy on, easy off. Definitely check out that one. The other mini dress I got is this one. And this is called the Golden Delicious mini dress. And I love that it's got these little bow ties. It's got a little button in the front. And then I'll show you the print on the bottom because it's got these palm trees. It's just really, really cute. Now, I will say that this does run a little bit large, and I misordered and got a large, and I definitely probably needed a medium or a small. So I'd say if you're in between sizes, to just go ahead and size down. And this goes really well with this Cocoa Hour bikini I got. I love brown anything. It just really looks good with my hair color. I'll bring this in so you can kind of see the texture. So you have the top there, and then you also have the bottom. This one is really nice because it does have good coverage, both top and bottom. And so you can kind of feel a little bit more comfortable in this one. And you get this entire set, both the bikini and the top, which you can customize for just $32, which is a great deal for a bikini. Now, I did get one more maxi dress. Now, I have curly hair, so I tend to stay away from really kind of bold patterns, hence the black and white, why I like brown solid colors. I decided I wanted to try something a little bit more adventurous. So they got this boho paisley blue dress. And this one is really great. It's got a nice neckline that's easy to wear. It has the adjustable straps. This looks really good, and you can easily wear this if you're small chested like I am without a bra, and it looks really good. But this one is nice and flowy, and I like the slit. This is a great dress to keep on hand as well. This would easily be great for dinner or lunch at any beach resort. Now, I also wanted to check out a one-piece swimsuit. So I checked out this one that has kind of this plunging neckline. It's got kind of these two bars across and then the slits. And on the back side, it's got great coverage. So this is a good option. I just think this looks really sophisticated. I love the subtle gold detail. This is also a great one to check out if you want a one piece where you don't want to show a ton of coverage, but you still want to look sexy in it. This is a great choice. Now, I will have all these items linked in the description box down below to make it easier for you to shop. And I hope everyone has their next tropical vacation planned. I'm going to Bahamas in a couple weeks, and all of these items are going to come with me. I hope everyone has a great day and happy shopping.